Hola, senores y senoritas. Mi amo es Paul, and I have my car. So, my car right here, just bought it. Of course, y'all have seen the video before. If you haven't, go click it right there. And that thing, yeah, that one. The car right here, I just got, I've been driving it around a lot, and I need to do some cosmetic, or not cosmetic, because we don't care about this thing. We need to do some maintenance things to it. These are the first things that you should do to pretty much any car as soon as you buy it. You want to check all the fluids, of course, when you're looking at it. But whenever you get it, you want to put those fluids and replace them all, because you don't know when the last time's been replaced. People can say things, but usually people lie to make it sound like a better car to get it sold. So first off, those wheels are going to be gone. DM me on Instagram if you want them, because I don't want these wheels on this car. That's just not the route I'm going with them. And they also look really goofy with this car, so I want new wheels to look flush, so I'm selling those. DM me if you want them on my Instagram at PoBoysOfficial, as well as if you're a fan and you've DM'd me, I'm gonna start trying to work on replying to those, because I'm terrible at replying to DMs. So either way, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Well, it ain't no fun working on a dirty engine bay. Now what we gotta do is I'm gonna check the radiator fluid. Oh boy, it's spitting. Oh gosh, that's so bad. Yeah, I need to fill up the reservoir for that. Oh look, my friend Gerplud. Once I fill up that reservoir, I'm gonna make sure that's all full. I'm gonna do a full flush, but not for right now. I'm just gonna top it all off. Oil change I'm gonna do later whenever I flush the coolant system, whenever I can get the car up and actually in a place I can do that. Gonna put windshield wiper fluid in it, as well as power steering fluid, because the power steering pump is going ham. It sounds like yeah, it's been low. Be careful, those things flip over. Road trip, I guess it's considered a road trip. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive. The car's doing great. That light turned on, but we don't care about service engine soon. We care about service engine now. So we'll just ignore that. But I'll go ahead and change all the fluids here in just a minute. And I'm also going to install a short throw shifter, because my truck shifter, my freaking, that thing, oh, grind gears, go. All right, there we go. But either way, this short shifter is going to be a lot better than this semi-truck style shifter. It's terrible. So we're gonna have to install that new shifter on there, change all the fluids. And my car is dirty, so I'm gonna wash it. I'm also gonna put some few parts on the car. I'm going to put a short throw shifter on it. I'm going to put fluids in it. Just gonna change out all the fluids, make sure it's all in good condition, check out the motor, and then from there, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have some fun with it. But until then, I'm going to put the short throw shifter on it, gonna clean it because right now it's a mess.
Oh, L.
Dude.
Follow Zorby.
Follow Zorby? Oh my gosh, that's you.
Fuck that. Follow Mello.
Follow Mello too. Follow me too. I forgot to say that. I have Instagram.
Follow Poe.
Follow Poe. And then follow Zorby. But I'm just gonna get this car all situated and make it look good. The first things you need to do whenever you get a car are wash it. So me and Caleb are gonna wash it real quick. Make sure it's clean. What do you want?
Want to get hit by everything or what?
Let's get hit by everything. I've been needing a shower.
If they ask if you're making money off of this, say no.
I've been needing a shower. Boy, what?
I took one this morning, but I guess I'll take another one.
Oh boy.
God damn it.
Oh, we're keeping it down. Oh my gosh! Oh. It's so wet! Oh my god! This is a lot more wet than I thought it would be.
Oh man, my water!
Oh, it's about to smack you. I'm soaked. My vape! My vape! It's cold! It's so cold! My speaker's
it's going down my back! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, the camera!
Why do we do these things?
I don't know.
God! Come on! Shit! This is one way to clean your interior.
This is how you clean the interior of a car. Whenever you buy a car, this is one of the things you need to do. Is clean the interior, clean the exterior, clean yourself. Oh, here's the turbos. Boost! Oh, the boost! Boost!
Oh my god!
What was that? I don't even know what that was.
It was one of your little vents on the side. Whoa! Good catch. I caught it. Oh my god. I don't ever want to do this again in my life, bro. I am like real life soaking. Look at the, bro. It stained the shorts, man. Everything is soaked, bro. It's fucking cold.
All right, so that's how you clean your car when you first buy it. You gotta clean every single piece of it. That's just what you're supposed to do, because there's most likely crackheads that drove this car beforehand, or at least the guy said that there may or may not have been crackheads that broke into it.
Got crack stain and crack rock now?
Crack stain.
Crack stain.
I don't know about crack stain.
No, it's definitely not gonna be.
What should we name this car? Y'all tell me what we should name it.
Red Rocket.
Before we bought it, it was broken into by crackheads and they stole the radio. Alrighty, so I got some coolant, and what you're gonna do here is just open up your coolant reservoir. Typically it's not supposed to have mud in it, but it's okay because this car's cheap. Put some in there, don't spill any because some people don't like that. This is not working. Actually it is, it's working, okay. Oh crap, it's about to overflow. I don't know what to do if it overflows. So now it's got a wee bit more coolant for the reservoir, so it'll help it keep a little bit cooler. It's a 3.8 liter, which is great. It's a 3-point great. Got some Rain-X windshield washer fluid. Gonna put some Rain-X in this doggo. And windshield wiper fluid, I'm just using Rain-X bug remover because we live in Louisiana and we got a ton of bugs. This thing was bone dry, dang. Oh, here we go. Now she's getting full. All right, power steering fluid is full. Dang, that used a lot. All right. Next up, I have power steering fluid. I meant to say windshield wiper fluid earlier. I don't know if I did or not. Power steering fluid. Where is my reservoir for power steering fluid? Well, that's dumb. It looks like I need a new windshield wiper washer reservoir. It's leaking. That's depression. All that fluid I just poured in there is falling. Well, gosh dang. I shouldn't even paid $600 for that thing. Now I gotta figure out where the daggone power steering pump fluid is. That's brake booster. You know what? Until then, I'm gonna charge the AC. AC Pro. Well, this isn't AC Pro, this is just a little fake. Shake, good, spin cap. Yep, we're good now. Let's read the instructions, why don't we? Start engine, set AC on max cool. Okay, start engine, set AC on max cool. Slap-a-doodle-doo this dude. Shake it a little bit more. It doesn't fit. What kind of stuff is this? That does not fit. That's depressing. So the power steering fluid pump, or whatever the heck.
It has ATF in there.
Oh, it does. It's full too. Oh, my pump might be going out.
Send it.
Welp. We're just gonna. And this is a sub. All right, I'm not gonna run a sub in this thing, so I'm pulling that out because worst come to worst, that'll ground out the battery and kill it. I don't want to deal with all that. Well, either way, until we get the oil change and a complete flush, probably a new power steering pump, unless I go full race car and just go power steering pump delete. I'm pretty much good for now on basically just stock parts. So let me tell you about the twin turbo kit that I got. If you didn't understand it from last video, because I kind of made it a little bit confusing, I got a twin turbo kit that someone fabbed up directly for this kind of car, which is actually why I bought the car, because he had it on Marketplace for $800. I said, hey man, if you take $400, I'll pick it up and I'll buy the car that it fits in. He's like, okay, sounds good. So I ended up getting the twin turbo kit for $400, which is 2 Garrett turbos, 2 2 teal blow-off valves and 1 teal wastegate, which is pretty expensive, as well as complete heat-wrapped exhaust and what else was there? And full intercooler piping and everything, and the intercooler. So it's a direct bolt-on kit. All I need to do is get injectors and a tune for it. So if y'all know anyone that tunes, like custom tunes, not just like a little computer you put on there, but I want a custom tune, someone that can tune a V6 Mustang. So if you know any of that, drop it in the description below, or you can DM me on Instagram. Hi. And I only got it for $400. I only got the car for $650. In the end, a $1,000 car, if that was confusing to you earlier. So now the car is clean, fluids are refilled. Gonna flush out the coolant for it, and then this thing will be reliable enough. Headlights, taillights, all the above, wheels, and I'm gonna keep the car painted like this for now until I get a better idea. As of right now, I don't know what I want to do with it. I'm thinking either wrap or maybe get like a cheap paint job or something along the lines of that. It'd be super easy. I might wrap it myself. Y'all tell me what you think about that. This really is an open template, and I'm gonna let y'all help me decide with what I do with it, because yes, it's going to go fast. Yes, it's gonna look good, but until then, I'm gonna have some fun with it. With all that being said, thank y'all very much for watching this video. There will be more content to come. Crack Rock, yes, I'm still doing videos on it. It's just in the process of trying to move, so it's gonna take a little bit on Crack Rock. So I'm gonna have more supermoto videos here soon, start moto vlogging eventually as soon as my microphone adapter comes in, which is gonna take a while since it's coming straight from China. And then from there, this will be pretty much the content machine until I can get all that squared away. So y'all have a good one. Come up for a name for this car, put it in the description.
Red Rocket!
Gavin says the Red Rocket. the red herring. Either way, y'all just pick up a name. It might not stay red, so keep that in mind. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a good one. And remember to friggin' send it.